I'm fine, thank you.
That's good. Yeah, and what's your name?
Uh, my name is Shabab.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Nice to meet you too. From Saudi Arabia,
Uh,
specifically Riyadh City.
oh, the capital. Okay, nice.
Right.
Mm. I'm in Cape Town in South Africa, and yeah, the
That's
win.
amazing. You
Mhm.
you are from South Africa or live in South Africa? Sorry.
Yeah, I live in South Africa, and the weather's nice. It's around 23, 24 degrees Celsius. Yeah. What's the weather?
That's amazing. Actually, I love South Africa so much because I visited South Africa before
Hmm.
8 months ago.
Oh, nice.
I think yeah, it was in August.
Very nice. Which cities did you visit?
Actually, I stayed in Cape Town for days,
Okay.
and then we rented the car from Cape Town to Garden Road.
Oh,
My
the
brother,
garden.
uh, yeah, and me,
No.
and actually we have visited three cities, if I'm not mistaken:
Mm-hmm.
Mosul Bay and Tistikama
All
and
right.
Naizna.
Nice. No, yeah, lovely.
Yeah,
It's beautiful there.
and we picked up our car
Hmm.
in the airport of George
Yeah.
and returned to Cape Town. And after that, we return our country,
Oh, I
Saudi
see.
Arabia. Yeah.
What car did you drive?
Sorry?
What car did you drive
Ah,
in South Africa?
it's Volkswagen.
Oh,
Volkswagen car.
oh, right.
Small, yeah.
Okay. The
The
small
smaller
one.
one.
Okay. Okay, nice. And what
Yeah,
did you
and
think?
it
Yeah.
was different. It was difficult a little bit. I mean, the driving,
Oh,
because as you know, we are in Saudi Arabia. Drive in the left side of the car.
right. Yes.
Yeah, not like the South Africa or the countries.
Mm.
Uh, it were or they were on the rule of Britain before.
That's right. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. When you go
But
to.
actually,
Mm.
it's amazing country. I love South Africa,
Oh, nice.
and I will visit South Africa, inshallah, again, because you know we had a lot of experience in South Africa.
Hmm.
Actually, it's incredible experience, like or such as skydiving and bungee jumping.
Wow. You did all the
Yeah,
exciting things.
yeah, yeah. It's amazing actually, and I'm going to take my honeymoon, inshallah, soon. I hope that in South Africa,
Oh.
specifically in Mossel Bay. I
Mm.
think the weather, with the weather of Mossel Bay, you know,
Yeah.
encouraged to manage.
Yeah. The weather
Maybe
in Mozambique is probably very similar to yours. Very
Mossel
hot.
Bay,
Mm.
Mossel Bay.
But you got
It's
to
good.
be
Did you,
careful. You got to. Hmm. Sorry.
Mr. Norman, are you a teacher?
I teach English online, yes, but I work with computers.
I mean, in South Africa
No, no,
or on
I don't.
vacation?
No, no, I don't teach English in South Africa. No, no, I help clients with building websites and getting them email addresses registered, things like that.
mashallah, for business, for
Yeah,
business.
that's right. Yes.
Ah, amazing, amazing, mashallah. That's cool. Uh, which countries you did visit before?
Oh, I lived in China for 1 year. That was very nice. Also
Oh,
confusing because when you go to Hong Kong, you drive on the right-hand side. When you're in China, you drive on the left-hand side. So it's very, very confusing. Yeah.
why? What's the reason of that?
Um, the reason for me going there, or the reason for the driving on on the different sides?
Different side, I mean.
Oh, yeah, because Hong Kong was under British rule for 100 years, that's why. And China copies America, so they drive the same side as the Americans do.
uh,
Yeah. So they're still separate, eh? Hong Kong is still, even though China believes it controls Hong Kong is still separate. They drive on the different side of the road. Their language is different. They speak Cantonese, and in China they speak Mandarin. So it's two different languages, two different
oh,
cultures. Yeah.
that's new information. I thought all cities in China have a same language.
No, not at all. So Shenzhen is half-half. Half the people speak Cantonese, half the people speak Mandarin. Guangdong, everyone speaks Cantonese, just like in Hong Kong. Very few speak Mandarin. But the rest of China is all Mandarin. So the majority of them speak Mandarin, except for those few cities.
Oh, that's weird, actually.
Yeah.
When you found the city or country has many language.
Like South Africa, 11 official languages.
Oh, are you sure
Yeah,
for
yeah.
that?
Yeah, there's 11 official languages in South Africa. That's
It's
right.
African language or what?
Yeah, lots of African languages, and then of course French is also a language they speak here because
Yeah, I remember now. I remember the Zimbabwe language.
right.
Did you know how can I say thank you in the Zimbabwe language?
Oh no, I don't
I
know.
I forget now,
You also
but it's that language. It's like music when you heard.
When you hear it, yes, yes, that's right. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So there's lots of languages. Yeah. And and in Saudi, do you have different dialects of Arabic? Like if you're in Dammam versus Jeddah versus somewhere else?
Yeah, right. Have a different. Sorry, what's
Dialect.
dialect? Right,
Yes.
dialect. Yeah, we have actually many dialects in Saudi Arabia, and it depends on the region you from it. Yeah, actually, the Bedouins people have specific or special dialects. It's difference, yeah, it's not like the other people. And yeah, we have actually many dialects in Saudi Arabia. But I don't know of Arabic.
Yes, right.
And there is a region, a mountain region actually, in I think in south of Saudi Arabia, has actually it's like the special language. It's not Arabic, you know, or maybe it's weird.
Okay.
Weird dialects. It's like the other language, not Arabic.
Right. Sure. Now in China, although most people can speak Mandarin, also the Mandarin has many dialects. So someone from Shenzhen speaks differently to someone from Shanghai, for example. So
Oh, that's weird actually.
yes, yeah,
Was
but
it,
they can understand each other. They can still understand each other.
So how about your level in China language?
Oh, it's what they say in China, mama huhu. It's so.
Mama Coco.
Mama huhu. It means so in Chinese, in Mandarin.
Oh, it's like not good, right?
Not fantastic. Not bad, but not great.
Mama Khu, Mama Khu.
Mama huhu. Mama huhu.
Mama Coco, Mama
Yes,
Coco.
that's it.
Oh, it's weird language, Mama Coco.
It is, eh? All languages have funny words. When you hear them for the first time, it's like, yeah, okay, that sounds quite strange. Yeah.
So you are you're from